To add link to resume PDF in Canva, let's go over to our template here to select a resume we want to work with. From the template library here, you want to select a resume to start working with. I will select this resume template and I will click on customize this template. The first thing I like to do when my resume opens is to change the link. So to add a link to this PDF, let me just quickly increase my page size so you see properly. So I want to know where I want to put in this link to. So if I say I want to add in this link here where there is address, I am going to click on this text box like it's highlighted like this, and I'm going to click these three dots and I'm going to come over to link here. I will paste in the link I have copied to add to this PDF. Once you paste in the link here, you want to click on done and done again. If you want to change this text to something else, you can pretty much rewrite the whole text by going into this pen icon here and change the text to something else. YouTube channel, which is the link I pasted in, I'm going to click on done, and you see it changes that text there to YouTube channel, and this is showing that it's linked. You can also just take out the line underneath it, and by clicking on the text box and removing this line, and the person also clicks in that place, it's going to show that is a link. But I like to leave the line just to tell most people that this is a link.